Hi everybody! Today I'll show you how to use your old or new metal hairband and upgrade it just by adding few colorful leather triangles. Since I've already done 2 videos using shape of triangle, I'm not obsessed, trust me, I'm just inspired by plain geometrical shapes and I wanted to show you how you can use them in many different ways. I also made necklaces from them. I just have so many ideas when something inspires me. First is first, you'll need all these triangles. How you can make them? Well, you have a link to my previous video where you can see how I made these triangles, and you'll also have a link for a PDF file for triangle patterns. Materials I used for triangles are leather and artificial leather. You'll also need already used or new simple metal hairband. Then you'll need 2 millimeters thick leather, and its dimensions should be 13 to 14 centimeters long and 8 millimeters wide. I'm using 2 equilateral leather triangles of 4 centimeters long side, 3 of 3 centimeters long side, 4 of 2.5 centimeters long side, 2 of 2 centimeters long side, 3 of 1.5 centimeters long side, and 2 equilateral leather triangles of 1 centimeter long side. You can find patterns for all of these triangles, as I said, in PDF file you have in the description of this video. You will need a glue for leather and a simple kind of painting brush, smaller one because we are gluing smaller surfaces. And then you will need also a hole punch tool, and we'll use the smallest extension on that hole punch tool. First of all, line up all these triangles and make arrangement that you want on your hairband. It's important that before you start gluing triangles to know in which way and order you want to put them on that hairband. You should avoid any frustration when gluing. So I'll arrange them this way, and when I finished I'll take a photo of that arrangement so I'll know where to put which triangle. That's how I do it, because eventually I'll forget the order, and when I start gluing it's going to be mess all over the place. So make arrangement, take a photo, and then start gluing. Now take that piece of leather, fold it in half, and you will make 5 holes with hole punch tool. You don't need exact measurements for hole places, just start with end holes on one and the other end of that folded band or strap, then punch 1 in the middle and punch 2 more in the middle of already punched holes. As simple as that. Just follow the video instruction. And in the end, when you unfold that piece of leather, you will have 10 holes. In this part, you will pull hairband through holes on the leather. Now you'll stretch that leather on the hairband, and you'll stretch it on the hairband where you want your upgrading with triangles to be. When you're finished stretching, just glue the ends of the leather to the hairband. Wait for a glue to dry a bit or blow on it as I did, and then press those glued places for a few minutes with your fingers. It's time to glue the triangles. I'll start from the middle and continue to the ends of leather on the hairband. As you can see in video, I assembled triangles in the order they should be glued. But at the same time, I'm looking at the picture of the arrangement I made before. You'll see here that I will apply glue only on one part of the triangle that needs to be glued on hairband. And then I will also apply glue on the part of hairband where that triangle will go. When you're done applying glue on hairband, just blow a bit on it so the glue could dry a bit, and then glue the triangle on hairband. Of course, need I mention that you should press that triangle to the hairband when you glue it. Press it hard. But first clean your hands if you have excess glue on your fingers so you don't damage the leather on the triangle. You'll repeat the same process with all other triangles. When you're done gluing triangles, just use your hands again and press those glued places one more time or few times, which I recommend. And that's it. Very easy, and the end results are amazing. And if you liked my tutorial, leave a comment, subscribe or like. See you!